everyone, my name is Mehmet Yagi and I teach mathematics to class 9th and 10th students. Today I am going to explain you a very interesting topic of math, that is trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a Greek word which is basically made up of three words, that is tri. The meaning of tri is three. The next word is gono. What is the meaning of gono here? The meaning of gono is lines or angles. Gono is basically known as lines or angles. The next one is metry. What is metry here? So metry is measurement. So metry is measurement. Now the definition of trigonometry becomes the measurement of any three sides or three angles of any figure, that is known as trigonometry. Any figure is for a particular figure. The term any is not any, that is a particular figure that we are taking as triangle. Trigonometry is basically applicable for those figures which have three lines, three sides or three angles. So as we know that the figure that have only three sides or three lines is only triangle, so we apply trigonometry only triangles and for a particular triangle, that is right angle triangle. In scalene triangle or in isosceles triangle, we cannot use trigonometry. We use trigonometry only and only in right angle triangle. As you know, right angle triangle is that triangle which have exact one angle must be of 90 degree, right? So this is right angle triangle. In this triangle, one angle must be of 90 degree, right? So as you have studied in your previous classes about hypotenuse, perpendicular and base or a Pythagoras theorem, right? So hypotenuse ka square is equals to the square of perpendicular plus the base of the square of base. This equation is known as Pythagoras theorem, right? So what is hypotenuse here? In this triangle, hypotenuse is the slant line that is opposite to the 90 degree angle. This one is hypotenuse. Now what is perpendicular and what is base? Base is adjacent side. Base is adjacent side but irrespective of hypotenuse. The next one is P. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is opposite sides, right? Opposite. So what is base? This one is hypotenuse because this is opposite to the 90 degree angle. Now if I am taking this angle, right? If I am taking this angle and this one is theta, I am taking as theta angle. So what is base in this? This or this? As for this angle, adjacent side is this and this, right? So irrespective of hypotenuse, the remaining side will be base. That means for this angle theta, this is hypotenuse, and irrespective of hypotenuse, the next side that is not hypotenuse, that will be base. That means this side become base and remaining will be perpendicular, right? If I am taking, for example, if I am taking this angle as theta and I am talking about this angle, then adjacent side of this for this angle, adjacent side for this angle will be this and this, and as we know this is already hypotenuse, so this side will be base, this side will be base, and the opposite side will be perpendicular, right? The next term is trigonometry ratios. Let me explain you the trigonometry ratios. There are 6 trigonometry ratios. That one is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta, right? Theta is angle here, angle that makes that we make by the joining of two sides, that is angle. So angle is theta here. What is sine? Sine is perpendicular upon h, hypotenuse. Achha, there is a very easy concept to learn that what is sine, what is cos, what is cosec, what is the other trigonometric terms. Simply is P upon H B. Just learn this term. P upon HB. पंडित भारी प्रसाद हर हर बोले. पंडित भारी प्रसाद हर हर बोले या पंडित भंडारी प्रसाद हर हर बोले. As per your choice, you can remember the concept. So what is P upon H? P upon H is sine. This one is sine. What is next term? That is B upon H. B upon H is cos. B upon H is cos. Cos theta. The next one is P upon B. So what is P upon B? P upon B is tan. That is tan theta. And sine is the reciprocal of cosec. So sine is the reciprocal of cosec. That means 1 upon cosec theta is sine theta. So similarly, if sine is P upon H, then cosec becomes H upon P. Cosec theta becomes H upon P. And the inverse of the reciprocal of cos is sec. The reciprocal of cos is sec. If cos if cos is P upon B upon H, then automatically sec will become H upon B. If cos is B upon H, then automatically sec will become H upon B. The next term is tan. The reciprocal of tan is cot. If tan is P upon B, that means perpendicular upon base, then automatically cot will become base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. The next term, okay, so it's all because the reciprocal of sine is cosec, sine is P upon H, and the reciprocal of cos is sec, because if cos is B upon H, then automatically sec will become H upon B. The next is tan. If tan is P upon B, then automatically cot will become B upon P. And now, if someone asks you that what is the use of trigonometry? So, the use of trigonometry is basically to find out the angle, to find out the line, and to find out two angles or two lines as well. Like, right, from Pythagoras theorem, we can identify one side. If we have two sides, like if we have hypotenuse and if we have perpendicular, then we can only identify the base with the use of Pythagoras theorem. But if we have angle and if we have one side, so with the help of this, we can identify other side as well with the help of trigonometry. For example, you are standing on the top of a floor and you are on the ninth or you are on the 10th floor, and you have to see, you have to measure the distance from ninth or 10th floor to the swimming pool of that area. So you will, what will you find? You will find out the slant line, or you will find out the hypotenuse with the, and you have the angle with the ground, that is 90-degree angle, and also you have a theta degree angle as well. So with the help of trigonometry, we can easily find out the distance between the top of the floor and the swimming pool. That's how trigonometry is very helpful in our daily life. I hope you all like it. Thank you so much.